Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken stock from a chicken carcass. First, gather your ingredients and equipment, including a large pot. Next, you'll want to roast the chicken carcass and some vegetables to develop deep flavors. Then, simmer everything gently for several hours. Finally, strain the stock and cool it properly for storage. It's a simple process that yields amazing results. To begin, break your chicken carcass into smaller, manageable pieces. This helps extract more flavor. Place these pieces on a baking sheet with roughly chopped vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. Roast them in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. This roasting step is crucial for a rich, deep flavor. Once roasted, transfer all the ingredients to a large stock pot. Cover them with cold water, ensuring the water level is 2 to 3 inches above the solids. Add aromatics like a few bay leaves and a teaspoon of whole black peppercorns. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook slowly for at least 4 hours, but up to 8 hours for maximum flavor. After simmering, carefully strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the solids. It's important to cool the stock quickly to ensure food safety. An ice bath works perfectly. Once completely cool, transfer your homemade chicken stock to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze it for longer preservation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.